Take anything you want. I won't tell the cops. Huh?
Are you all right?
I'm fine. What is going on here?
The monster, it tried to eat you.
Monster?
My friend and I saved you. Oh, Batty. Batty?
Huh?
Oh, sonic interference, what a nightmare. I thought I saw a human.
That's a human?
Yes, kill it, restrain it, medicate it, something. Puff up, they hate that.
Get back! Don't worry.
Stop!
I've got it scared.
I have but one claw, but beware.
Will you both just calm down?
He tried to kill you! I did not! You did!
Hold on! The only thing that tried to kill anybody was that horrible monster in the forest.
Monster? What monster?
The one that ate the tree. It was terrible.
Tree? The leveler. Hey, am I dead?
No.
We could fix that for you.
Then I must be dreaming.
Nope.
Oh, sure. And what are you supposed to be? Some kind of fairy?
Of course I am. What about you? Are you really a human?
Last time I checked. Listen, fairy, it's been weird, but I'm out of here. This dream is history.